Johannes doesn't know what to think of Grandpa's snoring. Right. All that snoring. Grandpa, what you doing? Fell asleep with his glasses on.